So they're saying, what other one are you talking about? Credit builder, is that the chime card? Anytime that I'm talking about a credit builder, if I'm anytime I'm talking about a credit builder loan or credit builder ways to build your credit, I'm always most likely talking about self. So I always tell you guys about self. I pay $48 a month for self. Every month they're reporting to the credit bureaus and I'm paying on time. And then that's helping me have history on my credit reports. On top of that, that's helping me build my credit. So let me see. Let me share my screen so you guys can see what the self actually looks like. So let's see. Let me show you. Let me share my screen with you so you can see what the self is. Now, I told you guys when I first signed up for self, well, at least let me say this. Self said that my credit went up a total of 155 points since being with them. Now, that don't mean that self did that, but since being with them, my credit score has went up that much. So let me share my screen so you guys can see what the self actually looks like. So if you guys are ever looking, let me take this off. If you guys are ever looking for a way to increase your credit score and you don't want to take out a personal loan, or if you guys, not only do you not want to take out a personal loan, but you probably can't take out a personal loan. I see a lot of people talk about how their credit score went up a lot with this self loan. Now they have it so that you can only put that you're only required to put $25 on it. So put $25 down per month. So you'll pay $9 to start. And then after that, you'll start doing your payments for the set amount of months that you want to pay. So I pay for a year, but you guys can also do like the $25 per month for 2 years. That means you'll have 2 years of history. Now I heard some people talking about like the credit strong, and I just heard so many bad things about it that I didn't even really want to get into it. I will make a video about it. I haven't made a video at all about it, but I'm going to make a video, telling you guys about the credit strong. But I always suggest the self credit builder. And this is just like think about this as the installment account. I always tell you guys, have 4 credit cards and have at least 2 installment accounts on your credit reports. And when you have these 6 things on your credit reports, it's going to make it easier for your credit score to go up, because now you have different things reporting to the credit bureaus for you. And they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. Give them about 30 days, but they're not going to do like a credit check to the point where you're going to get denied for it. So this is a good way. If your credit score is really low, you need to start building it up. Try to do this, because if you guys look at my old videos and look in the comments, you're going to see a lot of people talk about how to actually help them build their credit. So I definitely think you guys should definitely sign up for the self credit builder loan. And if you guys are with them and you don't have credit cards, after you pay at least $100 into the account and made at least 3 payments on time, they're going to use that money that you paid so far and they're able to give you a secure credit card, which is really good. So it's a Visa credit card, and then they're going to report that Visa to your credit report. So now you have 2 accounts. So that's another thing I like about them. It's like the money is not technically just sitting there in your credit builder loan. You could have it that way, but if you need a secure credit card, in 3 months, you're able to get one. So at least if you pay $100 into your account. So I always tell people, definitely sign up for the self credit builder loan. And when you sign up for them, like I pay the $48 per month, I have to pay that for a year. But after a year, they'll send me all the money back that I paid, because I don't have the secure credit card. So they'll send me all the money back that I paid. And I usually just use that, for as a treat for myself, or I may use it to like pay down any debt that I have. It's just a great way for you guys to save. I used to have a lot of people that want to buy a home, and they'll use that, like, I just want to buy a house in a year. They'll use that as one additional way for them to save. And it's a great way. So if you guys are not disciplined, and I'm saying this because some people may laugh about it, but I remember when I was not disciplined enough to like catch all of my bills. Like, you have all of these bills coming through. If you're not disciplined enough to pay every bill on time every month, this is like a great way to practice, because they're going to take the money out of your account. So make sure you look forward, like, hey, I know $48 is going to come out. Make sure you guys look forward to that. And if you're paying it every month on time, you're getting that history. So you guys are learning how to save. You guys are learning how to pay bills on time. And you guys also are getting that history on your credit report. So definitely, if you guys need to start building your credit and you don't have any installment accounts, or you just need another one, definitely sign up for self. And I have it right here in the comments for you guys. And I also have it in